Hello student, in this video we talk about how to sync your audio in your Filmora 12, right? So open your Filmora and then drag and drop your projects, right? So it is my video and it is my video audio, right? And it is my screen recorder and it is my screen recorder audio. So I want to sync these audio with this screen record audio, right? So first I detach this audio from my screen audio. So click on detach audio and my audio will be detached, right? Now I select my video file with my audio and then select the detached audio file from my screen record, right? Select my video file with audio and then select the audio file, right? And then right click and click on auto synchronization, right? And the auto sync is process and it takes some times, right? Minimum 5 to 10 seconds depend on your file size. So my video audio and my screen recorder audio will be resized, right? So from this area I will trim it, right? So this part I trim it. Now I play it and then click on the detached file. All the two audio will be synced correctly, and now I deleted this low value audio and I accept this audio which is I recorded on my mobile phone, right? And it is a simple process to how to auto sync your audio with your other audio.